for my trip to Living Waters, Healing the Heart. Free Park, so close to me. Retreat.
The boat realized I can be in a dangerous situation, but fear is a choice. Qualified for the new job and they don't give it to you. Well, then you start. That's the real fear. The anxiety is the front, the smoke is, I don't need that. I don't care. I don't want it anyways. The truth is, you really did want it. Controlling and you won't be able to control it. But what you can control is you can sit down next to this fire and you realize, oh, the real thing is, while I'm down here, I might as well do what God made me to do. While I'm down here, I might as well make the devil mad. While I'm down here, I might as well do something that's not about me. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. I've been wrong about people. I've been wrong. Fear will have you wrong about people. Thinking you know people. Thinking you know why they do what they do.
All right, well, I've arrived here. And chickens. Look at the goats.